how to change your saved credit card on Grubhub. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Grubhub app, make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on account at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you'll find all these options. Click on payment. After you click on payment, if you have added your credit card, you can simply click on it. In my case, there's Google Play. Simply click on it and you'll be able to edit. In same way, you'll find your credit card here. Simply click on it and then press on edit and enter the new card details. Save the updated payment method by pressing on save. And after you do that, recheck again if all informations are correct, and after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to change your saved credit card on Grubhub. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.